In the age of generative AI, understanding machine learning lifecycle is critical. It helps you integrate the AI tools responsibly, ensure output remains accurate, and adapt solution to a newer opportunity faster than ever. Machine learning ops is the foundations. We have mainly three types of operations that we need to really know: DevOps, MLOps, and generative AI ops. First, we will go in details about MLOps and how we can take it further. Every machine learning ops, they follow a life cycle. Once we understand the life cycle, the journey of the ML application, it goes through a concept, a model, an integration, then we have it deployed, and then we do improvements. In the next slide, I will show you more details of how things work. And then what we do is, it is not a one-time process. This is a cyclic process which keeps on improving until we get a final result. As you know, things move a lot faster. And then we have a lot of continuous refinements to make sure that the model and the data is relevant. We make new training data. As you know, every time there is new information for the model to know about, a lot of new use cases and model degradation. Now coming to this diagram, we come with a concept. Suppose you have a requirement, you know what has to be done. Then what you do is, once you get the requirement, you go ahead and start building the workflow design that is there. How you want to do it, what are the different steps you need to consider, what is the data that you need to have. Create a whole workflow design in your mind or in some visual tool that is there, and start going further. End of the day, you will require training data to start building your use case, your model, whatever requirements that you have. After that, from the training data, you need to create features, feature engineering, the variable. You need to derive value out of this training data to actually help you in going ahead to complete the specific requirement that is there. We add new training data as fresh information becomes available in the we will see that later as well. Then we do the model training. This is the part where we are able to do lot of model trainings that are there. We make sure that from the feature engineering and from the concept that we have done in the workflow design, we'll do the model training. After that, the model is been built and it has been saved here. The model has been saved from final iterations that are there. Then we make sure we do a lot of testing and evaluation to make sure that the model is fine. It works in different conditions on different samples and different time as well, and make sure that they do the proper evaluation. Once this is done, if it is not having properly, it does not give you the proper accuracy metrics, then you have it's the cyclic process. It goes back and does the model training again. The whole cycle happens until the data scientists are happy with the testing and evaluation that is there. Then after this model is finalized, we save it as an inference, which we later on use it for the production data, where it is live, it is hosted. So this is the final inference that we are using in the production data. And after that, we if from this production data, we can also use this data. As we were mentioning, we can add new training data as the fresh information becomes available. But before that, we need to do the labeling to make sure we are able to do that. And also we adapt to these new use cases as business needs evolve. We address the model degradation to maintain the performance over time as well. And this is the whole cycle that keeps on going. And ML isn't just about building once. It's about evolving constantly to meet the real world demands. And if you get an understanding of this, we will take this forward to understand how generative AI operations work. Have a great day.